Hi everyone, this is Swapna Bhavsar. Welcome you all to my channel. Today I will show you what is ternary relation and how to convert this ternary relation into tables. So here I have drawn ER diagram for ternary relation. What is ternary relation? It means if we have three entity sets and that are connected by one relationship set, it's called as ternary relation. So here employee, department and location. These three entity sets are being connected by works in relationship set and all are in with many to many mapping cardinality. If you will see employee to department, many employees are working in many department, many employees are working at many locations, many employees are uh, at various location, many departments are there. So if we convert this ternary relation into tables, we will consider employee is the strong entity set which has EID, E-name, E-address and salary attributes, wherein EID will work as a primary key. Department is the second strong entity set which has two attributes DID and DName, wherein DID acts as a primary key. Location has four attributes LID, location name, location city, wherein LID will work as a primary key. And works in is the relationship set with many to many cardinalities. And if we have many to many cardinality, we take union of all strong entity set in works in relation, union of all primary keys in works in. So EID, DID and LID whole will act as primary key for works in relationship set. Many to many union of all primary keys EID, DID, LID. This is schema definitions for strong entity sets and one relationship sets. If now I will show you how to convert these tables or these schema definitions into table. I will show you MySQL implementation. Here we will create database, company, database is created. We will use the database. Now we will create one by one tables. First one is employee. So create table. What are the attributes of employee table? EID, E-name, E-address, salary. EID, int, primary key, then E-name, its data type, varchar, then E-address, varchar 10 and salary. You can have various attributes for this table. Here I forgot to mention name of the table. Create table employee and end with semicolon. So my table is created. If I want to describe the table, I will execute the command describe employee. I can see attributes of the table with EID as a primary key. Now what is my second table is department with DID and DName attributes. How will I create it? Create table in department in bracket DID, for example int, and then primary key. I can have varchar also for DID, comma DName, and then is varchar. We will take here instead of int we will take varchar only so that it will be easy to understand. My table is created. I can see the structure of my table with the help of describe department. Here you can see there are two attributes DID, primary key and DName. What is my third table? Location with attributes LID, location name, location city. So I will create my third table, create table location into bracket LID, and again it is a primary key, comma, what is my second attribute? Location name varchar 20, location city, my third table is created. This is a ternary relation. My three strong entities sets are created. I can describe this table with DASC location. So here you can see three attributes: LID as a primary key, location name, and location city. This is all about employee, department, and location. Now, how to create this ternary this relationship set? Works in create table, works in into bracket. See here, this relationship set does not have its own attribute. So we are taking primary key of employee, primary key of department, and primary key of location. And whenever we refer EID, DID, and LID in works in, that time these three attributes will act as a foreign key constraint, right? So how will we define foreign key constraint? In my last video, I have explained how to use foreign key constraint. That video you can watch for better understanding. So the first one is EID. EID, what is the data type of EID? Int, comma, foreign key. Just check the syntax to declare foreign key constraint. Foreign key into bracket, EID, references, which table we are referring? Employee, right? Employee into bracket, EID. This is my first attribute which works in table has. The second attribute, department, DID. DID, so what is the data type of DID? Here you can see varchar. Varchar, you have to mention 10 only. Varchar 10, comma, foreign key into bracket, DID, and references. Which table we are referring here? Department. Again into bracket, DID, comma, the third table, location, LID, int, foreign key into bracket, LID, references. Which table we are referring? Location table. References, location into bracket, LID. Already I have told you, while creating the table in MySQL, each and every table should contain one primary key. Now here we are talking about many-to-many mapping cardinality. So union of all primary keys will consider as a primary key for works in relationship. So I will mention here primary key, composite primary key, EID, comma, DID, comma, LID. So here my table is created with composite primary key EID, DID, LID. If I want to describe this table, I can describe it with DESC works in. Here you can see these three attributes, EID, DID, LID. We have referred these three attributes from the employee, department, and location tables respectively. And whole is acting as a primary key. So in front of EID, DID, and LID, it's giving PRI. It means composite primary key. So students, here I have explained you ternary relation in which three strong entity sets are connected with one relationship sets. Schema definition I have explained, and I have explained the syntax to create ternary relation into tables. Thank you so much.